Realizing that catching and getting rid of stray dogs in any city raises the hackles of animal rights activists, the Mandya Municipal Corporation has thought of a different way to get rid of the stray animals. There are about 5,000 of them apparently in this town, about 140 kilometers from Bangalore. They have thought of a way which is far more inhuman than actually killing the stray dogs in the town itself. What they have done is that they want to catch all the stray dogs and release them into the forest where they will be at the mercy of wild animals.
ನಗರಸಭಾ ಸದಸ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರೆಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೋ ಬೀದಿ ನಾಯಿಗಳ ಹಾವಳಿಯನ್ನು ತಪ್ಪಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಯುಕ್ತರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಮನವಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಮನವಿಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದೋ. ಆ ಮನವಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೀವು ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ರಮ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀದಿ ನಾಯಿಗಳ ಹಾವಳಿಯನ್ನು ತಪ್ಪಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಕಾನೂನು ಏನು ಕ್ರಮ ಜರುಗಿಸಿದ್ರು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬದ್ಧರಾಗಿರ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆಯುಕ್ತರಿಗೆ ಒತ್ತಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ದಯಮಾಡಿ
This is ridiculous. I mean, this is what I've heard is something which I had not dreamt of also. Because if the councillors have taken such a decision, I think the forest department should immediately file a case against them. They have no idea about what wildlife conservation is about, what forest protection is about. They do that, it's going to be a disaster because we all know the dogs carry rabies, and once they get into the forest, they could spread it.
Joining us from Bangalore now is my colleague Pratibha Raman. Pratibha, obviously what the animal rights activists are saying, they have every right to raise objections to this proposal by the Mandya Municipal Corporation. But what are the alternatives they have in mind? Because 5,000 stray dogs in a town like Mandya, obviously a very huge number.
Absolutely. In fact, the animal rights activists do mention the fact that there is a solution forward. The councillors could perhaps look at providing funds, look at an isolated place where these animal welfare organizations can actually provide food and shelter to these stray dogs, try to organize birth control programs as well as sterilization programs as well as vaccination programs so that they do not prove to be a menace to the human population, but at the same time are really taken care of well in an isolated place so that this is not inhuman in any way and is also protecting the interest of the society. And that is the solution that these animal activists have to say, and they say that this is absolutely inhuman because even these stray dogs will be at the mercy of the wild animals. At the same time, they will also be spreading all kinds of infection as well as being influenced by these wildlife species. They will themselves turn really very violent.